Good afternoon and welcome to another video. So on all my videos I get a lot of replies in the comments, and in this video I'm going to answer some questions. So if you have not seen the video from a couple of days ago, please go watch it now. A link is in the description. And now I'm going to step into the question. And that question was: the depth gauge is for show, the mini nailer is only for modeling. Can you show us again using a 4 amp hour battery? So here I have a 4 amp hour battery and we're gonna do that. So in the last video I made a mistake. I said it was a 15mm soft plywood. It is a soft plywood, but it was 18mm. So we're gonna give it a test on the soft one with the 4 amp hour. I have a hard plywood, 18mm, and I also have a 12mm hard plywood. So I've noticed that more than 75% of my viewers is not a subscriber yet. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to get notifications for new videos. I want to do more of this question and answers, and I'm thinking about it to put them in the member area of the page. So if you are a member, you can watch this question and answer videos. This is the first one, so there are no videos yet in the member area. But let's start now with the test. So I have here the 4 amp hour fully charged. I'm gonna put some nails in the machine. And if you have not watched the video about this tool, make sure you watch it. It's on my channel. It's from last week. So those are attached. Putting it on setting 1. And someone was very sharp in the previous video. I changed the nails with the battery attached. Never do that. It's just for safety. I'm just trying to telling you it in a right way. Starting on setting 1. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Try it on the 18mm hard plywood on setting 6. I'll try it on 1. And there is no difference. And that immediately answers another question, that it leaves these dents like in previous videos. I'm going to tell you how to solve that, because these are just fine. No dents, no dents, and no dents. If you are applying the nails, you can do it like this. You can leave the machine and let it rest on the wood. You should not. You solve this by just lift it a little bit like this and then apply the nails. And there is one more thing I want to show you. If you have a nail that's got jammed inside here, you can remove this cap just by pushing it on 2 sides. And then you can remove the nail here. Putting it back together. So that's basically the question. This is hardwood, 18 millimeters. Also hardwood, 12 millimeters. Plywood, all plywood. And this is the softer one. And you can see they are a lot better when you're lifting the machine while touching the nails. So I'm trying to make this question and answers as short as possible, just to answer the questions that followers asked. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you want to see more question and answers. And I hope to see you in next video.